In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mouse icon in Figma. Whether you're designing a new app interface or just exploring the features of Figma, creating icons is a fundamental skill that can enhance your designs. So let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you have Figma open and ready. You'll want to start on your Figma canvas, which is essentially your blank slate for all your design projects. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable. Now, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find the main menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to accessing a variety of tools and options that Figma offers, so it's a good idea to know your way around here. Once you've clicked on the main menu, look for the option labeled File. Clicking on File will open up a series of options that help you manage your project. From here, you're going to select Place Image. This option allows you to import images into your design space, which can be incredibly useful for incorporating existing graphics or icons. After selecting Place Image, you'll need to choose the mouse icon from your library. If you don't have a mouse icon ready, you might want to have one prepared in advance or find a suitable image online. Once you have your image, locate it in your library and select it. This will bring the icon into your Figma canvas, where you can begin to manipulate and design it to your liking. And there you have it! You've successfully brought in a mouse icon to your Figma project. From here, you can customize it further to fit your design needs. Perhaps you'll want to adjust its size, change its color, or add other elements to complement it. Figma provides a robust set of tools that allow you to do all of this and more. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with Figma, the more comfortable you'll become with its extensive features. Creating icons is just the beginning, and mastering this skill will open up a world of possibilities for your design projects. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in creating your own icons in Figma. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on becoming a Figma pro. Happy designing!